mo tudol nilang budget atong interview. Kitsa name ni mo? Pila edad Gerald? 10 na din si Gerald. Ikaw kuya? What is your name? How old are you? 8 years old, 10, 8. Oh, ikaw 8. Ikaw kuya? What is your name? How old are you?
6.
Wow. 10, 8, 6. Ay, kung igna, 18 na ka. Ikaw kuya, what is your name? How old are you? Nag-school? School, what grade are you? Ikaw, what grade? Ikaw kuya, what grade?
Grade 3.
Wow, grade 3. Ikaw kuya?
Grade 4.
Wow, grade 4. So, mga tanong ko, I will ask you a question. What is your favorite subject in school?
Math.
Wow, math. Mag-engineer, mag-contractor. Indot na kayo, mag-contractor. Ikaw kuya, what is your favorite subject?
Filipino.
Wow, Filipino. What about you kuya? What is your favorite subject?
Science.
Wow, science. Ikaw kuya, what is your favorite subject?
Lunchtime.
Kato. Kini siya, ganahan ko niya kaya ang paborito subject kay science. So, since kay science yung favorite subject, mga tanong ko, what is the first planet kuya?
Mercury.
Mercury, correct. Yes. Ikaw kuya, what is the second planet?
Rose Pharmacy.
Ang iyaha, Mercury, iyaha, Rose Pharmacy.
Very good, very good.
Very good, Jud. Correct gihapon guys, kaya ano, ang Mercury, Rose Pharmacy, nag-atbang naman na. Correct, sir. Ikaw kaya, what is the third planet? 7-Eleven. Wala pa, mga joker ng mga taan.
Mula ka rin mga bataan. Ilaitan mo rin.
Okay, next time,